Tired of manually transferring leads from ClickFunnels and feeling like you're drowning in admin tasks? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your ClickFunnels opt-in page using the magic of Zapier, so you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business first. Log into your Zapier account or create a new one. Click on Create Zap to start a new workflow. In the Trigger section, search for and select ClickFunnels as your trigger app. Choose New Contact Activity as the trigger event. This means the Zap will trigger whenever someone submits their information on your ClickFunnels opt-in page. Now, connect your ClickFunnels account to Zapier. You'll need your ClickFunnels API key, which you can find in your ClickFunnels account settings. Select the specific funnel and funnel step, which is your opt-in page, where you want to track new contacts. Click on Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully retrieve data from your ClickFunnels opt-in page. This will pull in sample data from a recent submission. Next, in the Action section, choose the app you want to send the ClickFunnels data to. In this example, let's use Google Sheets. Select Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. This will add the new contacts information to a new row in your Google Sheet. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want to store the data. Now, map the data from ClickFunnels to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. For example, map the email address from ClickFunnels to the email address column in your sheet. Click on Test Action to send a test entry to your Google Sheet and make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now every time someone opts in on your ClickFunnels page, their information will automatically be added to your Google Sheet, saving you time and effort.